What is up, guys? Hector Ovadia here from Bobadilla Adventures. Today I'm really excited because I ordered myself, for me and I, a big toy. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it is for me to race on the streets or anywhere I want. So I've been I've been searching for this toy for a month or two now. So finally I found it. I got it. It's coming on Thursday. I will be making a video unboxing it. So stay tuned. For this time, there's this little movie I made. And also, I'll leave you with this beautiful day time lapse. It is real nice, as you can tell. If you're new here in this channel, my name is Hector Ovadia. I am an adventurous. I am the creator of Bobadilla's Adventures. I love traveling, going places, camping, doing fun things, having my own adventures with my friends. So hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So I'll leave you with this time lapse. Peace.
For a very long time, I've been feeling this energy, this power inside of me, but I've been struggling on make it work for me. I've been meditating, reading, watching videos of how to use your energy or chi. I started to get frustrated, and I even thought of stop trying, until one time this happened.
I challenge you for a bottle. Are you down? Candos. You, homeboy. Let's do this.